Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add captions to your video in Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download that Descript application if you haven't already. After downloading and installing the application guys, go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application. As you can see at the left side of the screen, we have multiple menu options that we can access right here. In the middle of the screen, we can see all of the projects that we are working on, and in the upper right corner, we can see the new project button where we can go ahead and create a new project that we can work on. For today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and use a project that I already have by opening it right here, clicking on it. As you can see, I have already put a video from a famous TV show right here of a man talking to your camera. And as you can see, that program has automatically transcribed what is being said in the video. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and put captions right here so that they appear right here in the video. So basically guys, all you have to do is go right here into the upper part of the screen and find this option called text. Go ahead guys and click on text, and this will now open up this new menu with multiple options. What we want to do is go ahead and click on the captions option right here. And after clicking on captions guys, now you can see that we have successfully added the captions to the bottom of the video right here, and depending on where you're in the video, it will go ahead and read what is being said in the video. They are basically like subtitles but for the same language. But yeah guys, basically that's how you add captions to your videos. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.